isa nating true faith na wala rin sawa sa pag-iisip gagi ng mga pahirap. Pahirap tuwing may event tayong Mansari. Kung ano-anong mga kanta na hindi ko alam. And then we have our co-captain Shell, nagagiring nakasupport. And of course, not but not the least, of course, our co-captain Irene, my CC, diba? Yan ang mga, isa yan sa small, medium, large. Shell. At this point, at co-cap Ems, at the Ems, you can queue up for the co-captain Ems will explain the mechanics and criteria for judging. O, di ba? May mechanics at criteria talaga tayo. Kaya, galingan nyo. So, co-cap Ems introduce, of course, our co-captains and the family. Ito ang mga co-captains natin na masisipag, na walang ginawa at hindi napapagod sa pag-iisip ng ating mga laging event para sa buwan-buwan nating pagsasama. Of course, andyan ang daddy natin, co-cap Mandy. Subukan ko mag-open ha. Galag ako eh.
Everyone, sa mga bisita, in behalf of our Captain Ashari, we are welcoming you and we are so happy na andito kayo para makibahagi sa aming celebration. We are now 5 years old and looking back, I can only say Ems, Shell, Bang, Gel, Pangulong Rex, BBI, True Faith. Sa mga nakaraang taon, you were always on the side of your mommy Cap. Lalo na nung nagkaroon siya ng sakit, hindi niyo pinabayaan ang family. Itinaguyod niyo. Ako ay nawala, hindi dahil sa umalis, alam niyo ng dahilan. And I am thanking God na kung kailan mag-anniversary, ito, nakasingit ako sa ating mga hearty babies who have stayed with us for 5 years. Maraming salamat sa inyo. JC, you're good, you're the best. Ang taba ng utak mo. Maraming salamat sa jingles mo. Maraming salamat din sa kay Daisy, who is always on the go, always ready to be a part of our celebrations. Kilala niyo naman mami niyo, basta kaya niya, hindi naman niya tayo iniiwan. But physically, as everyone knows, kailangan natin talaga ang unawa. Kaya nga, she really is so thankful for you hearty babies. Na ng time na nawala siya, na parang wala na siya, you stayed, you keep the family. At ito tayo ngayon, nagsiselebrate. I would say, I have to thank God for the blessings that He has given us as a family. Alam ng lahat na we have gone through a lot. We have shared shattered, emotional, scarred emotions, too many hatred na nangyari sa atin. But at the end of the day, here we are, happy to celebrate. Many have gone, we have come. So, hearty babies, and for the guest who is with us tonight, take note, if we maintain the faith and the love that we have for each and every one of us, nothing, I'm saying again, nothing can hinder us. Let us enjoy the life that we have at Star Maker. And so, in behalf of your mommy, Captain Ashari, I say, this is your Daddy Mandy. Thank you. Thank you very much.